Hello everyone on YouTube. In today's video I have found this motor. Don't worry, this I put it there so that just to reduce the job. But anyway, this was a washing machine motor, but it was in a bad condition. I hope you can see some other marks there. It has so much rust, so I used a grinder, try to scrub it, at least maybe. Yeah, anyway, I tried. Well, talking about the wires, not too thick. This one, we're going to need 4 pores in our magnetic rotor because the wire is 0.04. Okay, as you can see there. No, not 0.04, but 0.4 mm. Sorry about that. So the wire size is 0.4 mm. Not too thick, but it's a nice size. Okay, hope you can see that. In the wires, for those who know the washing machine motor, it has 4 wires, but 2 of them we don't need them. We only need these 2, brown and black. There was blue and yellow. There's yellow, but we don't need that. And there's blue. I don't know if you can see right there. Okay, right, but there was four wires, so I take out 2, remain with these 2 because these ones are giving us nice output. So here is the rotor I made. As I said, we only need 4 poles of magnets, so we have south, north, south again, and north again. Okay, so like that. But the magnet size, the same size, same magnets, so we always use all the time. Right here, so 25 mm, 10 mm, and the thickness is 3 mm. Okay, so without wasting more time, let's start putting together. So first I'm gonna cover this with the insulation tape. Okay, right, now this is how it look like. Same magnets, nothing changed, only this cover. So now I'm gonna push it there at the middle. Okay, right there. And now I'm gonna pause the video to put this right there. Okay, right there, and bring this right here. Make sure that it's leveled up. Right, soon I'll be back. All right, now it's ready, as you can see right here. Okay, one piece is stable. I don't think it's gonna fall. Okay, here's under. Okay, because there's some guys, some other people, they have some trust issues. So in here, this channel, we don't do some fake things. All right, so that's done. Next, we're going to connect this motor. This is 24 volts, 100 watts. It's coming from electric bike. Okay, so but we're gonna use only 12 volts, not 24. Because I got one battery right now, another one I didn't charge it, but anyway 12 volts is gonna work. So we're gonna connect this right there. Okay, so let's do this. First of all, you have to put glue and here. Okay, right there. Looks straight to me. I don't know if something is wrong, then we're gonna see from here. Quickly, let's tighten up this. Well, looks like it's fine. Okay. Okay, so now it's all connected in one piece. As you can see right there. No magic happening right here. Okay. Well, looks like it's fine. Take it under there. Do you good? Nothing. Okay. Now at this moment, I'm gonna connect this. Yeah, that's glue. Okay. Gonna do it like this. Live. Brown, blue and black. All of them together. Okay. As you can see right there. 2 lamp holders. Then I'm gonna put glue. Hope it's gonna hold and stick it right here, just like that. Right. Figure the wires right there. Zoom it a little bit. Okay, hope you can see the wires. Oh boy, just like that. You can see that? There you go. Right, now, hope it's ready. Let's give it a first spin with no any load. You see? Right there, ready? Okay. Okay, not bad. So now let's cover here this negative from the battery. Right, now we're gonna start with one light bulb. As I say, I don't know how many watts is this, but let's see if we can be able to power that. Okay. Oh. Okay. Right, looks solid. One more. Let's see. Right, okay. See this. Oh yeah. Okay. Wow. Ha. That's good news. Right, you know what? Let's try this one. It's 100 watts. I don't know if it can work out. Sorry, because can't see on top there, but it's 100 watts. It's odd, of course. But let's see if we can be able to power it up. There we go. All right. Okay, I hope it's not gonna jump. Whoa! What? 100 watts. Wow. Okay. Okay. Oh. Sound is changing. Wow. Okay. Yeah, let's see. 112 watts. Is it gonna work? Yeah. Can't. 100. That's max. That is a maximum. Okay. Let's go with 109 watts. Okay, 109. I was gonna wake up. 109, please. Oh, yes. Yeah, but this one now. No. Of course, it's coming on, but I believe the maximum is 100 watts. All right. So at this moment, I have to say, yeah, that's what I have right now. But you know what? What if we can try this guy? Think he can wake out? I don't know. Let's try. Okay, I connected it right here. I disconnected that the lamp holders. Just connect direct to this machine. So let's see. It's gonna work or not. Sorry for that. Now, time to start the machine. Let's see. Okay. Well, it's working. Forgot that we disconnected it. But anyway. Alright guys, that's all I have in this video. That's how we can change the washing machine motor to a generator. Thanks for watching, guys.